What's up and welcome back to another video. In today's video we're installing RGB lights sent to us from our sponsors over at Webupar. So let's get into the unboxing.
This is the 8-pod multicolor RGB rock light kit. It includes an app and a 28-key remote control, newly designed waterproof pods and control module, and all the hardware needed to fully install this kit. You can choose to control your lights with the Bluetooth control multicolor option. There are also 20 color modes built into the control module, including chasing, skipping, fade, sync to music, and more. The pods are a newly designed sealed aluminum housing with a waterproof rating of IP67 and is also rockproof and dustproof. The new design also allows for a bigger light area, which results in a brighter light color.
Now guys, I have a 4-door truck, and if I place the pod to the center of my rear fender, the wire will reach all the way to the front of my front door. So it's pretty lengthy in wire, which is great. So I don't think I'll need any extensions with this kit. So I'm actually going to mount just one single pod in each fender, and then I'm probably going to take the other 4 pods and mount them under the truck. A buddy of mine said he thought it'd be a good idea to mount it in the bed of the truck. I think I'm gonna go under the truck, but I thought that was a pretty cool idea. But let me know in comments with your idea. Would you mount them in under the truck, or would you mount the extra pods in the bed of your truck? Also, when I mount my pod into my fender liner, I think I'm gonna go in the center, of course, but I'm gonna lean more toward the inner part of the tire to where more light sheds behind the tire, because the further up you go, the tire is just going to shadow the light. So you want to keep it, have it a little bit hanging over the top of your tire, but mostly over the back of your tire. That way that glow spreads nice and evenly behind the tire and into the fender liner. And of course, you know, the bigger gap you have here, you'll have more light shed as well. But being that my height's only about 3 inches, I'm going to go that route.
So first we're going to apply our double stick tape to our light pod. Make sure you clean the surface of your fender liner really well. And then you're going to stick the pod in a location that you desire. Then go ahead and remove all 4 of your fender liners with the pod still attached. Now you're going to find a drill bit that's similar in size to the connector. Drill a hole for the wire and run your wire through the hole and reinstall. So I ran my extra pods underneath my truck, and I ran my wires through a body grommet under the floor. That way I didn't have to drill any extra holes in the bottom of my truck, and I was able to mount my control module and hide it underneath my front passenger seat. Now they do not recommend you power your kit up from your battery directly because of interference reasons. But I chose to install mine there anyway, and it worked out great. So for more detailed information on this kit, check out the description below. Also, if you're interested in purchasing this kit, click the link in the description below. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helps you in installing your RGB rock light kit. Hit that like button so someone else could find this video, and I'll see you next time. Special thanks to Webupar for sponsoring this video.